Hi, I just wanted to make a quick quick and dirty video to document how I've been fixing a problem I've been having with CML since at least 2.6, I think. When you copy over, this is a fresh install of CML 2.8 that came out November 21st, 2024. When you copy over the supplemental ISO, it fails, and the root is because the logical volume group runs out of space. And I'm going to document how I've been fixing it. You go back to your ESX host, edit the machine, and change the hard drive space. I'm going to change it to 64. Now, I'm sure there's a way to do this in the Linux side, but I'm going to do I'm going to do it by shutting down the CML and making it reboot. I'm going to pause this in the meantime until it comes back. Alright, now that my system is back up, logged into the cockpit, we're going to go to storage. And now we should see the extra 34 gigabytes I gave it. We're going to tell it to use it. And then we have to go to the logical volume and tell it to expand. We'll tell it to grow, and then pick an amount. It can be whatever, as long as it's enough to house the next ISO. We'll call that good enough. Let it go. Now I'm going to go back to my host to make sure the supplemental ISO is mounted. I think it already is, but it's always good to double check. ISO, Cisco, 2.8, and the supplemental reference platform. Looks like that's right. Now we're going to go back to the cockpit and go to CML and tell it to copy the reference ISO. Let's see that at the bottom. You come back like maybe 4 minutes later and it'll be done, but I'm going to pause this recording in the meantime. Now, as we can see, this time it did not abort the way it did when it ran out of space. And if we double check the space, we can see it's nowhere close to 95% now like it was before. And so now if I log into my admin panel, it's not going to complain about, oh, this thing doesn't know that I'm subscribed yet, because it's got a free trial version added to 2.8. But it's not complaining about images, which I don't think it would anyway for the supplemental, because the free versions I'm going to use not going to use the supplemental disk. So this is just one way to fix that whole problem.